Hello everyone, here it is, the brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's get straight into the unboxing. The box itself is sleek, minimal with Samsung's clean branding. As soon as we lift the lid, the star of the show greets us, the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Wrapped in protective frame, first impressions, slim, light and premium. We will set the phone aside for a second and take a look at what else is inside. Just like recent Samsung releases, you will find the USB-C charging cable and the essential paperwork, but no charging brick here as expected. Now peeling off that protective wrap and holding the phone for the first time, it feels incredibly thin at just 7.4 mm and light at only 190 grams. The finish is smooth and the floating camera design really stands out. Right away, the phone feels like a true flagship, but with that FE twist, giving you the essentials at a more approachable price. Let's talk about the design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE comes with a 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, punchy colors, deep blanks, and super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Bezels are impressively slim, making the display even more impressive, and with the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. It's not just stunning, it's built tough. Inside, you have got the Exynos 2400 processor paired with the 8GB RAM and up to 512GB of storage. That means smooth multitasking, gaming and performance on par with the much pricier. Battery wise, it packs a 4900 mAh cell that easily lasts a full day, and it supports 45 watts fast wired charging and 15 watts wireless charging, plus a larger vapor chamber to keep things cool. On the back, you get a 50 megapixel main camera with OIS, a 12 megapixel ultra wide and an 8 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom. The front houses a 12 megapixel selfie shooter that's sharper and smarter thanks to the Samsung's Pro Visual AI engine. Speaking of the AI, this phone comes loaded with the Galaxy AI features, from generative edit to instant slow-mo, circle to search, audio eraser, and even Google AI Pro trials in select regions. And here's the best part. The S25 FE is priced at just $649, making it a most affordable entry into the Galaxy S25 lineup. It comes in stunning colors like navy, jet black, white, and icy blue. So, if you want a flagship power, Galaxy AI, and the signature Samsung design without going all the way up to the ultra pricing, the Galaxy S25 FE must just be your next phone. Don't forget to hit the subscribe for more tech videos, and I will catch you in the next one.